arrived today. The video will not be going out today, clearly, but that's impressive for us.
Yes, it's amazing for us. We're on a tear tonight, as you will see from all the videos of us wearing the same clothing.
Yeah. And these are not pajamas.
Methinks she doth protest too much.
Well, people get confused, and I have to explain.
Yes.
Because I do wear... No, I don't wear... Okay. What were you going to say?
I don't even remember, because I opened this box, I saw all the papers, and I was like, oh, here we go. Let's do this. Alright.
Give me the grimoire.
You can have it.
Thank you.
Oh, less paper for me.
Alright. This is Puppet Magic. The art of puppet magic reminds us that we are always creating our reality, whether consciously or unconsciously. You can kind of see that.
Fascinating. Alright.
Yep.
I don't feel like I'm ever doing this part of the video. For Spiral Rain.
Well, Coco stole my spot.
Yes, she did. Okay, so first of all, we have bath salts.
These are the fire ones. So these are from last month. My jar of them broke. So she replaced the jar with a bag, and I think she added a little extra, which is very nice.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see where she
changed the numbers.
Thank you very much.
If you watch this.
If you do.
Kansas.
Yeah, we appreciate it.
Love the Spiral Rain bath salts.
Yes, we do.
Spiral? Did I say spiral?
I think you did.
Spiral.
I think you did.
Spiral.
Alright, I'm going to give you this purple item.
Okay.
Purple coming from... Oh! Before you do that,
yeah.
This is the last month to receive the description of items on paper.
No.
Yes. Yes, it is. Probably... Ow, Coco. Okay. More room for me. Mila, take your toasty Tim elsewhere.
Mila, it's not for you. It's not for you. This is beautifully, beautifully packaged, by the way.
Good job, guys.
Yeah. If you didn't see last month's...
Mila, go lay down.
They were kind of packaged just like around the side, so a couple of the jars had slipped out and bumped against each other and cracked. Hence why we now have these. Hence.
Okay, what do we got?
This is a candle.
Oh.
Lavender and sage.
Mm-hmm.
With an amethyst and jasmine.
Nice.
Oh yeah, I recognize the jasmine.
Mm.
And the amethyst.
Let me smell. Mm.
Smells like man.
I was thinking laundry detergent.
Men often smell like laundry detergent.
Yes, we do. But that's 100% laundry detergent. Might like it burning.
Lavender sage laundry detergent. I wish we had laundry detergent that smelled like that.
Okay. Next. A bubble wrapped, I'm gonna guess.
Did you read anything about it?
No.
Why not?
Because
this is the last month. Otherwise, we're gonna go Lodi style.
I'm not reading all these. They're like very long paragraphs and very tiny writing. And it's all like, no offense, kind of hooby-jooby stuff.
Totally.
Meaning, well, I'm just saying,
hooby-jooby.
Burn this candle to help you connect with the resilient energy and help you through your journey with grace. Like, it's that, no. If it's some...
You know what? It's not for you, Tony.
It's not, and I'm not reading it. All.
You should. You should read the highlights.
Like, I don't have time to tell what the highlights... Well, that's better.
What is time?
What is time? Prepare for that more. What's this? What's in it?
Yeah, too bad. You could read it. No, this is a Poppet Happy Sunflower Candle.
Mm. The 8-ounce Poppet candle, or in French, the bougie poopy. Look, you're right. I should be reading these more.
Where's this say
Bougie poopy, right where?
Poupée.
That's that. Bougie poupée. The bougie poupée. Oh, love it.
Bougie poopy.
this bougie poopy is a beautiful and meaningful addition to any ritual or spell work involving poppets, made with the powerful scents of sunflower and rose oil. Thus ends the highlights.
You say sunflower and rose oil?
Yeah,
It says
I did.
with amethyst and marigold.
No, the candle is also topped with marigold and amethyst,
There you go.
enhancing the energy of the candle and bringing in abundance, protection, and spiritual awareness.
I hope that it works on our chicks that are hatching.
Sure.
The
What-
protection.
Whatever
And
Hooray
abundance.
stuff you need. I will say this is very fun. Alright, what do we got?
You're just tired.
I am.
Ooh.
Ooh, this is cool.
This is fun.
This is a moon dream catcher with crystals
Very cool.
from the Ohm box. Ohm box. Box. Highlights are blue and silver strands in my face. I made this moon dream catcher. It is a beautiful and meaningful addition to any space designed to help promote restful sleep and positive energy.
I'm excited.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Cool. Restful sleep and positive energy, please. Off. Off.
You guys can go outside when we're done.
No Toasty Tim.
Out. Go lay down.
Oh.
Go lay down.
No, I don't want the donut either.
Go lay down, you fool. No. No.
Milo, we're busy.
She's so cute though.
We're busy. Go take your donut and go.
Take it. Take it. Oh gosh, there. You have a hat. Go lay down. This is beautiful.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Mm-hmm.
Love it, love it, love it.
And next.
But I said no. Take it. Oh, yes. All done.
We have a smelly.
A smelly.
It is. Oh.
This is the
Other
incense blend
Mm-hmm.
from last month. Now I get to smell it.
Mm.
It's nice.
Mm-hmm.
Very citrusy.
Very citrusy.
Yeah.
Yes.
I like it.
Me too.
Very good. Very good.
Very good. Very good. And now we have. Oh, they. Ooh, lots of things. Ta-da!
Ooh. So fun. Let's see. We've got some incense in here.
Some Ohm Amber incense.
Very cool.
Amber incense sticks are a wonderful aid for promoting restful sleep. Each
Smell it.
stick is made with amber resin combined with a blend of aromatic oils combined with the finest natural resins, honey, and wood powders. A fair trade product made with sustainable natural materials handcrafted in India.
Wow, that chick is really lonely.
Yeah.
She's the first one to hatch.
Number one.
So she's like, get up and go, you little.
You little.
Yeah.
Okay, next.
She's got lack of vocabulary.
Mm.
This is peace tea.
Ooh.
Okay.
This is introducing our spirituality tea. A calming and soothing blend of organic black tea, lavender, and natural essences.
Is this any different than the last peace tea we got?
I don't know.
Must be.
This says it's spiritual. This says it's spirituality
What was
tea.
the last one called? Do you remember?
No.
No. Okay.
No. No.
Well, always looking forward to trying a new tea.
Always.
Very good. Very good. Peace tea.
Thanks. What's next?
Spirituality bath salts.
Lovely. With amethyst. Doing some moon magic. Always. Allow your bath to serve as a sacred container for you. No tub, no problem. I've read this before.
Yes, you probably have.
Ingredients are Epsom salt, sea salt, sodium bicarbonate, which is salt, 100% pure essential oils of jasmine, sage, frankincense with lavender, and an amethyst.
Amethyst!
Somewhere in there is an amethyst.
We got some amethyst in here somewhere.
One amethyst. Okay, and...
I found it. It's a big one.
Oh yeah, that's huge. Cool. Really cool. Okay. Finally, we have this.
Ooh.
Finally? Yes, finally.
There's nothing else?
No. What do we got? Oh.
What do we got?
Oh, interesting. Okay.
Not for Coco.
This
Not
is
for
all
Coco.
from the Poppet Magic things to complement the Bougie Poopy. I kid. I love Spiral Rain. Their stuff is super cool. The theming is amazing.
Oh, cool.
And they gave us a sewing kit.
Very cool.
10 felt pages, which, that's spoilers. But this is a sewing kit.
This is a nice sewing kit.
Because it would be mean to make a box about poppet making without the tools to make them. Very cool of you guys.
That is cool. Ooh,
Yep.
we got
And then we
patchouli.
have a whole bunch of things. Patchouli, one
Which
of
I
my
love.
favorite smells.
Same.
And we have some
St. John's wort.
associated with protection, healing, and happiness.
Patchouli or St. John's wort?
St. John's wort.
Oh, interesting, I didn't know that. Passiflora.
Passiflora. Pass it over. Pass over the thing. Wow, she was quick on that. I enjoyed that. Emotional healing and relaxation. Oh, here we go. When used in poppet making, it can help to promote relaxation and restful sleep for the intended recipient, as well as attract love and positive energy. That's cool.
Cool.
And what's the last one?
No, we have two more.
Two more.
Mugwort.
And rosemary.
And rosemary.
Which we can use when we cook chicken. When used in poppet making, however, it can help promote protection and love for the intended recipient. The mugwort is good for protection and spiritual awareness, and the St. John's wort is for protection, healing. Oh no, I read that. The patchouli is... I read that too. Alright, and then we have some patterns. 10 felt pages. A sewing kit, which we've gone over, and patterns. Oh, this is for voodoo dolls.
Puppets.
Cool. We can make voodoo dolls of people we don't like and stab them.
No.
No.
Not stab.
That's not what this is about. Peace, love, protection, respect, felt pages to decorate our poopies with. Sorry. Nice. Super cool.
Yeah, this would be fun.
Yeah.
And I may or may not finally have some time to do stuff.
Ooh. No.
Maybe.
No.
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 Never.
No. That's it.
Look at all these colors.
Thoughts, Kylia.
Very interesting.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
I like it. I'm always surprised at what's gonna come.
Oh, totally. Yeah. Always very unique and cool.
Yeah.
So,
This is like one of my favorite smells ever.
It's good. It's really good. Kind of sad to see these go. I know I don't read the whole things. Almost kind of wish that we could combine this into something a little bit more condensed and short. Condensed.
Yeah, I'm sad. Does it say they're moving online or they're just getting rid of them?
It doesn't say. It just says last month to receive the description of items on paper.
So then it must be digital.
That's the implication I read from it. Yes. Anyways.
Some of us don't like the digital. But that's okay.
It's okay.
We just won't read them.
This is true. true.
But you, dear viewers, will be less informed.
Less informed?
Even less informed than you are when we are saying something.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Good night.
Good night.
And good luck.
Yes.